Welcome to Raj Computers. My name is Raj Barge. I am co-founder director of Raj Computer Group. Now today we'll be understanding how to write an if condition. Basic with the help of two examples. The first example is to check number is odd or even, and next we'll be checking gender on the basis and saying greeting message, that is hello master or hi miss. So let's start. So when you say number is odd or even, that means we are trying to use a basic operator that is called as mod. In computer, the thing which is called as mod is same thing which is called as remainder in maths. Now what is it exactly? Basically it is just trying to divide a number and check what is the remainder. Suppose if I am having a number that is 11, if I get mod out of it by 2, my remainder value is 1. Barabar hai? Fine. But if I have number as 8 and I get mod by 2, my remainder value is 0 because nothing is remainder there. So how to write program regarding it? For the same, I'll be using a software which is called as Eclipse. So it's very simple. So in this, I am going for something called as source folder. In my source folder, I'll be choosing default, right clicking it and adding a new class. So when I add a new class, I am just naming as 08, this is my 8 example, underscore if demo for odd or even. I'm just adding this public static void main. So everything is right now. Now I want to accept data from user. If you want to accept data from user, you'll be using scanner 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 sc as object, saying new scanner and scanning value from standard input, that is system.in. This S has to be capital. Now when you have scanner, you have to import a special file, that is what? Import scanner, that is from Java utils. So once this data is added, fine, we'll be defining a number, we'll be accepting a number into variable which is called as no. So we have to prompt user. So for prompting, I'll be saying sys out and pressing control space bar. It shows me entire information. I say enter number and try to scan a number from user. I'll be scanning this number with the help of sc next int. It accepts integer value into it, and then I'll be deciding on it. If this number mod by 2 and remainder is equal to, please remember in Java when you are comparing left hand side with right hand side, then you have to use double equal to sign. If you are using single equal to sign, then it assigns the value on its right to the left variable. So to compare, we have to say double equal to. And again I am just saying here sys out and saying this is odd number. And I can just print the number by concatenating it. Now if my remainder value is 0, fine, in that case it's not odd, it's even. Let's check it out. So I run this program, I just click on this run option. See, in the bottom it is showing me enter number. I'm trying number by pressing 11, it shows number is odd. If I rerun the program and enter value as 8, it will show even. So this way it is done. Now second thing, I am to go for this gender based example. This is something I missed. So this is a gender based example. What it does, it has to accept two things. It has to accept from user the name and gender. If gender is male, fine, then a system or software program has to greet, that is hello master, and if it is female, that is if it is female, then it has to greet as hi miss and name in front of it. So let's try to check this program. Fine, this is the thing what we are trying to do. Fine, so again I go to my Eclipse, I added another program, I go to file, I say new class, I type my name, that is A0, the last one is 8, so I'm just saying 9 for this, underscore, again this is if for gender, gender, fine, and I'll be choosing public, so I'm there. This is the data which I'll be putting into my comment. So to put comment, you have to say control / so it gives comment. So again I have to accept data. If I'm accepting data, same procedure we have to follow. We have to use scanner sc is equal to new scanner, that is system.in. So it scans the data. Again we have to import this file here. We imported the file, then we'll be saying sysout, and we'll be saying enter name. So I'm entering the name of the student, but before that I have to define two variables. So I'm defining two variables. First is name kind of variable and next is gender. So I have to accept string value into this. So I'll be accepting name first. I'll be saying sc dot, okay, it's next allows me to read a single word. So in second I'll be accepting gender, and gender I'll be storing into variable same gender. Now the thing is that when it comes to comparing string, we have to use a special property, that is dot equals equals. This is very important in case of object or string. So how to use it now? See, I'll be using same if condition. I'll be checking for gender, that is gender dot equals, find gender dot equals, and I'll be choosing writing and correct word. See, it can be male in small or it can be in caps, fine. Or what I can do, another thing I can do, I can write this into caps only, and before that I think I can make it in capital. So I can just say upper, so it changes me to the uppercase first, and then it compares me the value, because as we are Indians, we are technically very sound, and we can confuse computer by entering smaller and capital letters. But if you convert it, then it will accept data in any format, but after accepting that gender into any format, it will compare with only capital male, and before comparing it is going to make that as into uppercase. So in this case, if the person is male, I will be saying hello master, and will be saying master name, that is name here. In case of female of gender, everything will be same, and will be saying female. So let's check out for this example. So I run this program again. Now I will be doing two things. I missed something. Save. So just check it out. I think the file is not properly saved, so I'll be saying what? Control S. It is saying some problem while saving the data. Encoding, okay. Achha, save this in this format. Is this file is saved? I think it is saved. I'm just trying to run it. Yeah, it is saying enter name. I'll be entering my name. My name is Raj. Fine. And my sex is male. See, it says me hello master. If I rerun the program, I say my name is again Raj, and my see I'm just typing my gender MALE. I'm trying to confuse on computer, but still it shows master because it automatically converts into uppercase, and then it compares. Fine. So this is a ready-made function in a class which is called a string class and converts that. So can we check with the female? Yes, we can check with the female. I run this. Again I name, I run an Aishwarya, that is Ash, and she is female. And we say yes. Oh, see, I missed it. I have to say not hello master, I have to say hi miss. This is the error. Actually this is not the error. This is a just copy paste issue. So I'm saying Ash, and this is the name is female. And he's saying hi Miss Ash, and that is done. This is all for the. Thank you.